Hi everyone, today I will explain two basic topics in economic theory. It's supply and demand. First, let's talk about demand. Demand shows how much of a product consumers are willing and able to buy at different prices. Here you can see the demand graph. On the vertical axis we have a price and on the horizontal axis we have a quantity. The demand curve slopes downward, which means when the price is lower, the quantity demanded is higher. This is called the law of demand. Consumers will buy more when the price is lower and buy less when the price is higher. Okay, let's move to the supply. Supply shows how much producers are willing to sell at different prices. The supply curve slopes upward, which means when the price is higher, the quantity also is higher, because the higher prices motivates producers to produce more. When the supply and demand meet, we have an equilibrium point. At the equilibrium point, the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied are equal. Okay, let's continue with the shifts in demand and supply. In this graph, you can see the shifts in demand. When the demand increases, the demand curve shifts to the right from D1 to D2. Here you can see. And equilibrium point also moves from E1 to E2 with increasing price and increasing quantity. In this graph, you can see the shift in supply. When the supply increases, the supply curve shifts to the right from C1 to C2. You can see here, and also with the changing equilibrium point from E1 to E2 with decreasing price and increasing quantity. And to conclude, demand and supply determine the equilibrium in market, while laws of supply and demand explain how price affects quantity, and shifts in demand and supply shows how external factors change the market. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much. Bye bye.